Hey guys, we got a pork shoulder roast on the board, and if you watch this video, you won't be bored. We got this from 5280 Pork out of Meeker, Colorado. You gotta check this stuff out, it's awesome. And right now we're gonna throw together the next slow cooker video. It's gonna be, it's not gourmet, pork green chili. All right guys, so we're gonna get into the test kitchen concept where we're gonna be very finite on our measurements so that you can replicate this at home if you'd like. So I'm gonna start by putting this bottle of Super Radical Rib Rub on the scale, 227 grams. Now I'm gonna take the pork, I have it on a piece of Paleo parchment paper, okay? Pork on Paleo parchment paper, that's a lot of peas. And I'm gonna just season the outside. Press that in. Let's go to the side here, we wanna get the side. There we go. So got it seasoned on all sides. I'll put the lid back on. 200 grams. So we know that we've used 27 grams of Super Radical Rib Rub. So the next step is to take our shoulder, we'll put it in our crock, right in the bottom. And then we'll take the rest of this, boom, as best we can, right on top, okay? 27 grams in there. Let me clean up my hands and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, we got a guest culinary ninja in the making. Show me your shirt, bud. What does it say? Whoa! High five. Thanks for joining me. All right, so here's what I want you to do, bud. Can you take, we have, these are called tomatillos, and I want you to take and peel the wrapper off of that. Can you do that for me? While he's doing that, I'm gonna take 2 onions. I'm taking julienne these onions. And then let's go ahead and turn our scale back on, and then we can find out exactly how many onions, because all the onions are different sizes, right? So you might grab 2 huge ones, and I have 2 small ones, and then when you make your pork, you're gonna be like, man, that was way too oniony. Why was it so oniony? 376 grams of onions going in. Do you feel like you could cut these in half with a knife? You wanna do that? Okay. He doesn't normally talk like this. Good. All right, we got the smaller knife, you guys. This guy's tearing it up. So hand over the top, go right between the fingers. Boom, and pull back. Boom. There you go. Good job, bud. 494 grams tomatillos. You want to dump that in the bin? Now we have green chilies. And when I think of green chilies, it reminds me of Carlito's Burritos in Las Vegas, Nevada. Remember that place? Yeah, so let's put these on here. Boom, 722 grams of green chilies. I've just taken these out of the can and rinsed them, get the vinegar kind of water out of them. For now, all I'm gonna do is can you put the lid on there, bud? Right on, just like that. And then we're gonna put this on high for 7 hours, and about halfway through, we'll start playing with it, where we'll turn the green chilies and the tomatillos into the pork and kind of get them up underneath. Right now they'll cook down, provide some moisture. Super Radical Rib Rub will do its thing. Yeah. And then when we're done, it won't be gourmet, it'll just taste that way, right? Yeah. All right, and we'll check back when it's done. Joe, what do we got here, bud? We got a new culinary ninja, that's what we got. Say hi, Jonas. No? Oh, you can turn sideways? Okay, he's a little shy. But we have our pork green chili, and it's gone for 7 hours. About halfway through, I stirred it and I added 2 teaspoons of salt. Jonas is gonna help me out by cracking a couple eggs. Can you crack one of those? Yeah. He's done this before, he's good. Remember how to do it, bud? A little bit harder. There you go, now open it. Good job. There you go, I want you to dump that right in here. Nice, good job, Joe. Hit this with a little salt and pepper. And we'll just take the eggs right on the other side, like that. What do you think of that, Joe? Does it look good? There we have it, just one simple, quick way to throw together the pork green chili. Again, this is 5280 natural pork. I want to say thanks to Joe, the culinary ninja. Can you give me the rock? And do you remember the little saying that you know that Daddy says? That you and I say together? Keep it paleo. So Joe and I here doing what we can to help you. Let's say it. Keep it paleo.